Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about adhoc comments in practical lab. I am Venkatesh. So this is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. So if you never see these videos and if you like very much, you can subscribe for consideration. So let's see into the video. So here I already have three machines. So one is my master machine and other twos are my slave machines. So I already have the user of Ansible admin. I have added these three users in all three machines, and I have added this into the root user as well as I given passwordless authentication. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check out my previous videos so that you have some clarity from this. So you can see here. So let's see the adhoc commands, how it can be usable. So already I have given some theoretical sessions which is on my previous video. You can check out as well about what is adhoc commands, why we use that. So let's see here the practical lab session in this video. So here I'm currently under my Ansible admin homepage. So I am switching into /etc Ansible. So you won't have the directory which is under Ansible. If you don't have that, you can create that one. And you have to create these two files here. One is ansible.cfg, another one is you can create a host file. These two files you have to create. So I will show you what is there inside this file. You can see here ansible.cfg file. So this is the default file. I will provide you the GitHub link for this ansible.cfg, so you can copy from there and you can paste it. And also you need to create the host file. So in host file, you have to add your slave machines IP details. I have added my two slave machines IP details in this. So these are my slave machines IP. So you can see 41.105 and another one is 47.145. So these two machines I have added in the my host file, and this should be able to executable from your Ansible admin user or whatever user you are creating. From there you should able to execute. You should not able to run from the root user. That is not advisable. So always try to create any users. From there you can able to run the Ansible playbooks. That is the good to use. So that is my advisable thing. So let's see what we can do this. And moreover, you can see here ansible.cfg. If it is in the inventory file details in the different path, you have to edit this under /etc ansible and host. This should be your inventory path. So if it is not in the inventory path, and you have to edit this one, you have to cross check this one. Okay, this is the default details. So whenever a script will execute, it will consider as the, if you not added the values, it will consider from your this ansible.cfg file, which is your configuration file. So you have to uh, cross verify these things before you are executing your Ansible playbook or Ansible ad-hoc commands. So in this session, we are going to see only the Ansible ad-hoc commands. So let's see how we can do this. Before that, you should install your Ansible. Also, you can verify Ansible hyphen version. So here you can see the configuration file is I added in the etc ansible.cfg. So it should be like this. You can keep your ansible .cfg file in the any path that is your wish, but always try to keep for the etc ansible underscore ansible.cfg. So that is a recommended one. So let's execute the file. So that I already mentioned, the inventory is under this path, so this is my inventory file. You can give any name as per your wish. Here I have a ppt presentation which I have done for this session. So this there are a lot of modules, so I have taken the real time examples models for your our practical session here. Coming to this, this is the ping module. So let's see how we can execute the things. So I already added everything, so if you don't know how to do it, you can watch my previous videos. So Ansible all, so Ansible all in the sense it's going to look at into your inventory file. You can keep like hyphen I if you have different name. If you have different inventory files, you can mention your inventory files hyphen I. Using that, you can give your name. So here I'm already given in the configuration, so that's why I'm taking I will take directly. So if it is hyphen I also, there is a nothing going to happen, the same going to execute. So Ansible all hyphen I and hyphen M. So hyphen M in the sense it is the module. So you are going to specify the module, which module you are going to call. So here I am going to call a ping module. So let's enter. So you can see, so it's successfully able to ping with my 145 and 105. These two systems I can able to ping. So these two IPs I have in my host file itself. Okay, so if I create the different inventory file, so I'm going to create one more inventory. So I'm going to copy as well. Let's copy this. Okay, let's copy and inventory, and here is my inventory in 105. So if I want to ping only, so here I have another inventory file which is inventory. So if I want to ping only 105, I can use Ansible all in the sense whatever you are giving in the inventory file, it's going to ping. So hyphen I and in my inventory file name, and module is my ping module. So it is going to ping only 105. So it will, like, you can create n number of inventory files, you can use it here. So that is one more thing. And this is one of the real-time model which we will use. And next we use with the run commands. So if whenever you are going to use any commands, you have to mention as a hyphen a, which is the argument. Okay, so let's see how it will work. I'm clearing the screen. So for this Ansible, I'm going to not going to mention any inventory, so it is going to call my host file. So hyphen a, it is the argument. So you name hyphen a. So whenever I execute uname hyphen a, it will execute in my remote machine, and it is showing the details of the uname hyphen a here. And if I'm specify the for uptime, I want to see uptime, then you can see the uptime from here itself. If I want to see the disk space, df hyphen h, so it will show you the disk space in my all systems. Whatever mentioned in the IP, it will show you the all systems. Let's clear my screen. So like this you can use for the comments. And next, gathering the fact. If you want to get the information about all your system, you can use the command called setup. So here I'm using command called setup. So it's going to gather the fact. So it's not, it's going to gather the fact here. So let's hyphen b, so hyphen a setup. Okay, I need to use m because a is the argument, so setup is the model. So from this you can see here, so it's able to gather the all information from my system. So this is the one of model, so we use, and so copy the files. So if you want to copy any files from my one system to, sorry, so my one system to another system, so we can use the copy model. So let's see how it will be work. So here you can see index.html. So I have under my etc underscore ansible path. So coming to this system, and I don't have the, so you can see here cd var ww html. So under this path I don't have any files. Same like here also we don't have any files cd var ww html. So you can see here both system I don't have index.html. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the file from this master machine to all other two slave machines using the copy model. For this Ansible all, I'm not going to mention the inventory because it is going to take it as a host is my inventory, host is files the inventory file, and my model is the copy model. And I'm going to specify some arguments here. So so here is my arguments. Source, what is the source arguments? So which is the path of the file? So etc ansible, and then index dot html, as well as the destination. So this is the my destination path I have to mention, var slash ww html. And I'm going to I'm going to do it as a root user. For that you have to use hyphen b, this argument you have to use. It means become root. Okay, so once I execute this command, so it's green, sorry, yellow color, in the sense it's got changed, which means changed. Okay, so here you can see my index.html file. So I have my index.html file here. Okay, so so this is the for copy model. If you want to copy any files you can use. And next, if you want to install any packages, we will use yum module. Let's see how it will work here. And here I'm going to install Ansible on my all two systems. So you can see here system ctl status httpd. You can see here this one is not found, and as well system ctl status httpd, as well as these two systems not found any of the httpd package, which means it is not installed. So I'm going to install this. For that I'm going to use the module called yum module, yum, and I'm going to use few of the arguments. So one of the argument is from name. So this is the one of the argument name. So what is the name of the package? httpd. And I'm going to use the state which is going to present. Present in the sense it's going to install the package, and I'm going to execute as a root user. Let's execute this one. You can see here so now it got changed. Let see the whether httpd is found or not. You can see here now we have installed HTTPD in our two slave machines. So now I want to start this service. So for that I'm going to use the module called service model. So let's see start the service. Before that, let's see we can able to see systemctl status HTTPD. So you can see here it is inactive and it is not started yet. So let's start the service Ansible all -m. Sorry. So we are going to use service. This model we are going to use, and the arguments are same. Name is HTTPD and is state is going to be started. We should not use start. So if we use start, then see what will happen. Start start. So you can see here there can be error. So here you can see the message. So it's saying like we have used start, and value of the state must be one of like a reloaded, restarted, started, stopped, and we got start, which means we have executed as start. So let's change this one as started. So it got changed now. Let's see the status again here. So now it is showing active status. You can see here now it is showing active status, which means our Apache got installed. So this is the one of the model to start the service which we use, and yeah, yes, which is start, and to synchronize the file. So for example, if I want to synchronize the files from one path to another path, we will use this module called synchronize. I'm clearing the screen. So you can see here index.html. I have the things like hello world, new line, third line added. This is the my file, whatever I have written. And as well as you can see here, um, in this file, same thing I have. Also my slave machine 2, same thing I have. I want to sync these two files once I have done any changes. For that I'm going to use module called synchronize. So here I'm going to edit this file. This is a DevOps Pro Junction channel. Welcome. So I edited this content, and you can see here now I edited. Let's synchronize this one. For that I'm going to use a module called synchronize. Ansible all, and the module called synchronize. SYNCHRONIZE synchronize -a. I'm going to add the parameters. So I'm going to add the parameters called source and destination. So these are my two parameters. So using that I'm going to synchronize src, and the path of this file is etc ansible index.html, and the destination file is under var www html index.html. Let's execute this one, and it's got failed. So warning, like the let's permission is denied. Let's add a root user. So now it's got done. So you can see here now we have this DevOps Pro Junction channel. I did not done anything. So just I executed my adhoc commands. According to that, now it got synchronized. So like this, you can use your synchronize command, and one more command we real time use for rq. So if you want to any files to download, you can use curl command, so you can download it and you can also do the rq. So so if you don't know how to use the model, if you don't know what is the model, you can search like Ansible module for uninstall package. So by that way, you will get the Google search. So from there you can see. So this is the so I'm going to use the M module. So if you want to uninstall any packages, you can use M module. So now I'm going to uninstall my Apache. So for that, Ansible my module is M again, and the arguments are name is equal to stpd, and state I'm going to use, which is you can see from here. So the latest which is going to install, present is going to install, and you want to remove any Apache packages, you can use absent. So this is the module you can use to uninstall your packages. So now it's got uninstalled. You can see systemctl status of httpd. It's not found. So you can check the same for slave machine 2 as well. So like this, you can use your adhoc commands for your real time whatever you want, you can use for your systems. You can create different inventory files, and you can create your different groups. By that way, you can able to achieve this using the adhoc commands. I hope this video is useful, and this if you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos, and thanks for watching.